soup over here, and we add these radishes, which is white radish, carrot, and onion. We add them in. Oh my god. Come on, carrot, carrot, carrot. Cover it and wait for it to cook. Now that the soup is boiled, we'll add the chicken. We have to boil it for about like a while so that the chicken is like cooked and soft and also a bit tender. Powdery looking substance. It's actually this instant spicy noodle soup powder. It's a product from Thailand and it makes life easier so that we don't have to just make the whole thing ourselves. We just have to add this powder in and the soup is like wow, done. Now we'll add this in to this soup that's ready. Just add it in. Whoa, so black. And then we'll stir it. Stir. Stir. It's actually turning into the soup that I actually want. Waiting for the soup to cook a bit. We'll cook this bihun because my family likes to eat it with bihun. Now let's add it in. Oh my god, I'm scared. Meatballs from the latest video. Although it doesn't look that nice, but it was the first time, so yeah. And then we'll add them in to this pot of the soup to cook a bit. You would eat it or what the ingredients are to put into the bowl so that you can eat it in the Thai way. So first we'll have to put in the soup if you want and the noodles of course. I'll ask my mom to help me because I'm really scared it will burn my bowl of noodles. And for these vegetables, right, in Thailand they'll usually put it for you, but for my family they'll put it outside because my mom likes to put more. I like to put less because I don't really like vegetables. And okay, so these are extra ingredients if you feel that your soup is not that good. So actually we're supposed to taste our soup first to see if we need any more extra. And of course I want some chili. Let me add some. Not too much, if not it's too spicy. I don't want too spicy. And then, of course, I love this sugar, so I'll put a bit. Sprinkle it all over there. And then this is actually vinegar, apple cider vinegar with some chili. I'll just have a bit because I don't really like vinegar much. But it will have the taste right there. And this is actually fish sauce. Thai people like to put this in their meals to make it more saltier. Oh, and now we have to stir and try. We just stir it. And we'll try it. So first we'll try the soup again. Really delicious. I like the soup. It got a lot of flavor and taste to it. And then now we'll try the noodles. It has absorbed some of the soup, which is also very nice. Oh, and let's try the homemade meatballs that me and my mom made. Just delicious. I'm finishing my second bowl. And like this video, share this video to your friends or family, and subscribe. Bye!